Hello everyone, welcome to Avidator, where we help you master the essential math skills you need for the 11 Plus exams. Today, we're diving into arithmetic operations. These are the basic calculations we use in almost every maths problem. Let's break them down so you can approach them with confidence. Arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the building blocks of maths and come in handy in everything from solving word problems to working with fractions and decimals. And before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon if you want to be a maths whiz and get more helpful tips for your 11 Plus exams. Let's start with addition. Addition is all about combining or increasing. For example, if you have 5 apples and you get 3 more, you add 5 and 3 together to get 8. Simple, right? Just remember that when we add, the answer is called the sum. Here's one to try. What is 6 plus 7? That's right. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Great job. Next, we have subtraction. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. It's about taking away or finding the difference between numbers. For example, if you have 10 sweets and eat 4, you're left with 6. We call the answer the difference. Let's try one. What is 15 minus 9? If you said 6, you got it right. Well done. Now on to multiplication. Multiplication is like repeated addition. If you have 3 bags and each bag has 4 oranges, you could add 4 plus 4 plus 4, or you could multiply 3 by 4 to get 12. We call the answer the product. Here's a quick one. What's 5 times 6? If you said 30, you're absolutely right. Finally, we have division. Division is about splitting a number into equal parts. Let's say you have 12 sweets and you want to share them equally among 4 friends. You divide 12 by 4 to get 3. The answer in division is called the quotient. Let's try one together. What's 20 divided by 5? The answer is 4. Great work. All right, now it's your turn to practice. I'll ask a question and you try to solve it. What is 8 plus 6? Did you get 14? Great job. Here's one more. What is 16 divided by 4? If you said 4, well done. You're getting the hang of it. Fantastic work, everyone. With practice, these arithmetic operations will become easy nature. Just keep practicing, and soon you'll find maths problems much easier to tackle. Thanks for joining us today on Avidator. Don't forget to subscribe for more maths tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy calculating!